Old bitches, they play with their pussy, they be down that hemp bone.
Good afternoon, y'all. Today is Thursday and I am baby free. Okay, y'all, so I've been starting my days off by going to the gym after I drop layoff, drinking my protein, eating my bagels, taking my supplements, stuff like that. And I have been going to the gym. I think this is too bright. So I'm ready. I don't even be doing nothing to my hair, but I'll probably do something to this part and just comb it and pin it up. This is like, don't excuse my bed all of that. I'm gonna do something with that later. But yeah, this is my workout outfit. I'm trying to lose at least 30 pounds, y'all. I weigh 180. I will say 40, but no, I guess 30 pounds. But got my headphones. It's time to work out. And yeah, y'all, we is out. I gotta go make my water bottle. I've been wearing this purse ever since, y'all. Ever since. I just keep wearing it. But yeah, let's go get our water.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
We made it to the gym, y'all. And I already took these before. And I took these burn natural fat burners, y'all. It's a dietary supplement. I took 2 of them. So you gotta eat first and then take them. Watch your teeth on live, y'all. But we finna go ahead and work out. I'm finna see how this camera works. I'm finna go in here, put my camera, position it so where I can get some like shots of me working out. This is about to be hard probably. I wonder if I should start bringing my tripod because it's a higher stand, but I'm gonna be scared because you know how some people probably be running and stuff and they might knock my camera down. But let's go y'all. Let's see how this gonna be.
Stop to think about the blood, still running like I'm trying to get my way up. When I get too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up and see them but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through, we never let the paper change us.
Ran it up out the mud. I get paid to pop out the gloves. Put my pound on them in my blood. I watch people change, I can't trust them. I got rich, but I'm still hustling. I run full speed to that cash. I can feel the shit in my cab. I must reminiscing back when they ain't have nothing. Now they acting like they all happy for me. What was you at when I needed? When it come to money, I'm greedy. I'll try anything just to please you. You can take everything if you leave it. Ain't tryna say I'm perfect, but I'm decent. Ain't going back, bro, for no reason. I trip in my Viva Pro. Don't need bounty to clean it up. I'm the quick to pick her up, but for real, just put it on the floor. That other stuff I'm not for. I've been clearing out my headspace. Running, I'm starting to buy my whips now for the leg space.
Got this about the blood, still running like I'm trying to get my way up. When I get too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up and seen them but a bunch of haters. No matter how much money we went through, we like a red dot. Always on the go, I'll be wherever the jet stop.
Yo, my mama on this one. This bitch the devil right here. It's it burned the inner part right there. It be burning. And it's supposed to help the butt. My hand's shaking, y'all. You know, I guess because my heart. I want to ask my mom to see. Oh yeah.
No matter how much money we went through, we never.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all this shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, but girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls.
Workout for today, y'all. It wasn't much, but we finna go walk. Alright, y'all, so that was it for the workout. We about to go walk. It's really not it, but we about to go walk, so you can't get my thing. So I'm gonna see y'all soon as we get to the track.
Mr. J is idiot.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might chop my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser.
Okay, y'all, so this is how my stomach is looking. Y'all, I'm gonna put the goal right here and what I weigh. But this is how we looking. What I'm about to do now, well, what my mama's about to do now is she's about to make a green smoothie. It's supposed to make you go to the bathroom and alright, eat some.
I'm sorry. Pick them up.
Can you get out? I want to masturbate.
I'm talking to Amber. I don't want to hear that. You said I'm just trying to satisfy your flesh, and I'm trying to tell you something. Double really got you.
And I'm about to probably eat some spinach dip. Yeah, eat some spinach dip, then drink that smoothie. I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure if I'm supposed to drink it on the empty. I'm not drinking. That's tea. Because I just bought some detox tea so I can go to the bathroom. But she's about to make the smoothie, so I think I'm gonna eat that and then drink the smoothie so I can go to the bathroom. And I was supposed to eat after 7:30, so I'm gonna do that. I'm about to edit this video on my phone, and I'm about to take these knots out my head because I'm about to get something different. And today is Thursday, so I'm just about to chill, y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna drink lots of water, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna catch y'all with y'all later. Y'all probably see me making a smoothie or something, but wherever it takes me, y'all gonna know. So excuse that, it's like correctly. We got some orders done. I had to take my head down, but we're about to go to Target. Today is Friday the 9th. Oh, so I think it's my granny's birthday. And is it? We have a sale going on, so it's from this Friday to next Friday. Use the code Marie and get 20% off. What happened was something I had to pay on my site because my site was down, so I paid that. Site is back up, so go check it out. And we're about to be on our way to Target, so.
One finger, because the ball where it's supposed to be. Come
old bitches, they play with they pussy, they be down there hemp bone.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up.
Alright, y'all, so today is Saturday the 10th of September. I'm about to go to the gym because I didn't go Friday, which was yesterday, but I did get some walking in, just a little bit. So I'm drinking my green smoothie, and what else was I gonna say? Yeah, I didn't really film much yesterday, so today I'm definitely gonna be being more active. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm not gonna record because I already recorded in there. So it's basically like the same routines, but yeah, I got my outfit on. It's the same outfit that I have wore this weekend. I did order some more gym fits, so y'all gonna be seeing those. But yeah, I'm so serious. I need to lose this weight. I told y'all, but I told y'all once I leave, once Blake go back to school, I was starting back. Like, I have to go hard, you know. So I'm gonna show y'all my green smoothie. My green smoothie, y'all. Mama made it. It got spinach, banana, pineapple yogurt, almond milk, and coconut milk. It's good. It's real good. Try it when y'all get home. I'm gonna put the ingredients so y'all can try it. But I'm gonna drink this and then we're about to go. Powder. Oh, and protein powder. So I'm about to drink this down. I got my water. And then, yeah, let's go. So I had to ship out these orders, y'all. That's all for it.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got spotted cuffs back. In the peace. Drop the data, now we black. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. Push P. A capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her.
I just came from, why I put my ass like that? From working out. I think it's like 3 something. I'm about to go shower and then I'm about to do my makeup. So we can go outside.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me, yeah. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh.